Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. In the previous video I had replaced the battery in my Suunto D9 wrist-worn dive computer, which was well overdue, and I also have a Suunto air tank wireless transmitter that goes with that. Again, the battery is well overdue a replacement, so I'm going to do it now and you'll be able to see how easy it is to do. And here we have the little Suunto air tank wireless transmitter. As you can see, it's held on with 4 Phillips screws, and in order to get to the battery we're going to have to remove those screws, which we'll do now. That screws removed, and in order to open this you just have to grab it firmly and pull, and there we have it. It's the inside, no residue, no water, looks good, and this is the little unit itself. Now as you can see, I am wearing nitrile gloves to avoid any contact with any of the components. And the little battery here, it's a Varta CR half AA 3-volt lithium, and also you can see it has the positive at the slimmer end away from the connector, so remember that when you're replacing it. In order to get this out, we'll use the little screwdriver and we'll just prise it out gently. That's it. When replacing the battery, remember what way it goes. Now also, you will see there is a little rubber ring around here. This is to help seal it when you're submerged and no water should get in. Check it out to make sure that there is no damage on it and there is no dirt or residue. If in doubt, give it a little clean with a cotton bud. And when putting it back together, put a little bit of gel, silicone grease, or in my case I'm going to use a little bit of petroleum jelly. Now the replacement battery is exactly the same battery as the one that was removed, and we're going to fit it now. Again, remembering the positive goes to the bottom end, so just press it in, slips in, and before you put it back together again, a little bit of petroleum jelly using the other end of the cotton bud, just a little bit around. Could be too generous, but it's better to have just enough to seal it. Right, once that's done, then we got to slide it back into the casing. Now as you can see inside the casing there is a little groove where this will sit. Now also you will see just inside there's a little slot. So once you can match this up with the little mark on top here, it should slide straight in. There we go. And you need to press it so that it goes in. With the petroleum jelly, it helps to seal. Now it's not going to seal completely until you start screwing it in. Now putting the screws back in is go in hand tight while you're holding the unit and keeping a little bit of pressure on it. So go from corner to corner, and that way then you will get an even tightening down. That's finger tight, and what we'll do then is we'll tighten down with the screwdriver. Again, remembering to go corner to corner. Right, that's it. Battery replaced in the little air tank wireless transmitter. Now it's not going to be the easiest to test to see if your battery is working or even if your little transmitter is working unless you have an air tank and you have a dive computer that will pick up the wireless transmission from this. So that'll be in the next video. Thanks for watching, Driveway Dudes. Feel free to comment, like, share and subscribe below.